I'm extremely excited to present to you a beautiful low-set home, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 garage in the heart of Aspley. This one here sits on a super quiet street, but so close to everything that you'll need. I'm Dan De Silva, and welcome to 58 Spencer Street in Aspley. Let's check it out. As you can see, low maintenance, quality low sets like this don't come to market often. So if you have any questions or would like to arrange an inspection, feel free to give me a call. Cheers.